So, I live in the Midwest, Minneapolis, St. Paul to be exact. And this time of year, as you can see out my window, I don't know if you can see out my window, let me just show you. It is cold. I mean, look at that. And not only is it cold, but it's snowing. And when it's cold and snowing in Minneapolis and St. Paul, you know what people do? They hide. They go into their homes like hobbits, and they hide in their homes for months at a time, which means that they don't really come out and do parties. They don't come out and do parties. There's no weddings that happen this time of year. There's a few, those people that love the snow, and I did a couple this year, but it's not like wedding season in the Midwest is during the winter. So what do you do? I mean, what do you do and how do you keep yourself busy? Well, number one, those people who are not in a business that think we don't do anything, they don't know anything about running a business, right? I mean, we're doing business. We're running our business. We're doing our marketing. We're doing sales. We're talking to people. But then you get to a place where it's like, well, I'm bored. What do I do? Well, here's what I do, and I would give it some thought if I were you. I spend some time going through my stuff. I mean, I have a really busy season. I've done indoor events, I've done outdoor events, and how often are you able to take your stuff apart? Clean everything, make sure everything works, update all of your software, make sure that all of your suits are in order, that all of your music is in order, that everything is in order in such a way that it's like, I'm ready for everything to work without having to put it together. I mean, you get really busy, and I don't know about you, but my office gets really crazy, and I got paperwork strewn everywhere. I haven't done a lot of organizing when it comes to that. A lot of my stuff isn't necessarily entered into the computer for all the extra stuff I need to do later. There's thank you cards I haven't sent out. There's just piles and piles of work that pile up because you're busy. Well, guess what? This time of year in the Midwest is my season to go, okay, time to organize, time to clean, time to wipe down cables, for goodness sakes, time to take out all of my gear and look at it and see what needs to be upgraded and what's new and what should be new. What can I do to make my season faster and easier because I take the time to take care of it now? Because I have the time to take care of it now. I can come up with a million reasons why I can't do it when I'm really busy. So what about you? What do you do this time of year? How do you keep yourself busy? Huh? I'd like to know. Write it in the comments below and tell me what you think. I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License, and thanks again for watching.